Hello everyone, in this video I show you how to create your own care instruction cards. These are perfect to add to your tumblers. So if you want to see how I made these, then please keep on watching. Okay, so first you're going to head on over to Google and you're going to search up cup with straw SVG. And this is the one that I'm going to use here, but there are several different ones. If you scroll down, so once you find the one that you want to use, you're going to go ahead and save that image. And save it as a PNG. And now head on over to Cricut Design Space and upload your design. And save it as a cut image. And now I'm going to change the color to white. And you can make these as big or small as you want. The dimensions I'm using are 2.711 by 4.151. And I'll go ahead and list those in the description down below as well. And now you're going to go ahead and hit the text option on the left. And basically all we're going to do now is insert our text and resize it. So for the font, you want to make sure that you use one that has the writing option. And if you hit the filter and hit writing, it'll pull up all the fonts that are compatible. So I'm going to use this one right here, which is Storyteller. And I'm also going to use A Child's First Year. So go ahead and just write out all your instructions. And once you do that, now we are going to align these to fit within our cup. And make sure that it is in the draw feature. And if you're going to use multiple colors, make sure you select which color you are using. So now I'm going to head on over to images and search up a border. This is optional, but this is the one I'm using here. So now I'm going to resize this. And make sure that it is in the draw feature. And I'm going to make this pink. And now I'm just going to arrange everything to fit within my cup. And you can resize these according to your dimensions. So if your cup is bigger, then your text could be bigger. And the order that you write these is totally optional as well. This is all up to you, however you want yours to look like. And now I'm just going to add a thank you down here at the bottom. And again, I'm going to change the color to pink crystal. That is the color of my Cricut pen. So once everything is where you want it, you're going to highlight everything and hit attach. And then depending on how many you are going to make, you're going to right click and hit duplicate. So now you can go ahead and hit make it. And I'm only going to make 4. So you can go ahead and hit continue and connect your machine. And then select your material. I'm using medium weight cardstock. And then right here it tells me which pen to load first, which is the black. So I'm using the fine black point pen. You can see it says fine because of the F. And also the fine tip pink crystal. These are the Cricut pens, and I'm just using a scrap piece of cardstock on my standard grip mat. You can also use the blue matte light grip. So to insert your pen, you're just going to remove the top and insert this in clamp A. And now go ahead and load your mat into your machine, and make sure that you keep an eye on your computer because it'll tell you when to switch pens if you are using more than one color like I am. Now you're just going to go ahead and remove them from your mat. I always like to fold it, and then I'm just using my Cricut tool to help me remove these. And I'll go ahead and link this tool down below as well. But that is basically it. I love the way they turned out. And now you can simply add these to your tumblers just like so. And that way the recipient will know exactly how to take care of their tumbler so it will last a long time. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And of course, I would love it if you subscribed. Thank you guys so much for watching.